Sohrab and Rustam, a tragic Persian epic where Rustam, a legendary warrior, unknowingly kills his own son Sohrab in battle. Sohrab, a young and brave warrior, seeks his father's identity without knowing Rustam is his father. The story reveals itself too late, and both are left to mourn their tragic fate. Sohrab and Rustam is an epic that explores moral and philosophical themes concerning faith, identity, and human relationships. The narrative centers on the tragic meeting between the famous warrior Rustam and his son Sohrab, highlighting the consequences of pride and miscommunication. The Persian epic Sohrab and Rustam's story explores themes of faith, pride, and misunderstandings. The tragic encounter between Rustam and his son Sohrab teaches the importance of communication, empathy, and understanding. The story highlights the consequences of misunderstandings and the futility of avoiding conflict due to destiny. It resonates with young adults, emphasizing humility and self-awareness.